All right, foot rolling. So we're gonna take a lacrosse ball and I'm gonna show you how to do this for each one of your feet. So I'm gonna start on the big toe, and I wanna start with the ball of my foot on the ground, and the ball is keeping the big toe up. So this is stretching all down underneath my foot, all the way up to my big toe. Okay, try to lean a little bit, put some pressure on there. And what I'm gonna do after this is I'm gonna just follow this line of the big toe back straight along the first ray where this tendon is. I'm gonna follow it back on the bottom of my foot. Okay, so I'm starting here. I'm gonna start rolling. Move it back so you guys can see. And I'm just putting as much pressure as I feel comfortable on the bottom of this foot. Okay, just trying to put as much pressure as I feel comfortable. And if you find any particularly uncomfortable spots, what I want you to do is not necessarily put more pressure on there, is I just want you to find that spot that's giving you a little bit of trouble, and you're gonna flex and curl your toes. Okay? And then go back to rolling it out. I'm only gonna roll back to about right in front of my heel bone. Okay? Once you get that done, you're gonna move over to the second toe and do the same thing. Okay, notice that I'm trying to curve my foot around the lacrosse ball, okay? I'm not trying to like keep it nice and flat and flexed. I'm trying to really let the lacrosse ball sink in and massage that muscle on the bottom. Okay, once you do the second toe, we're moving to the third. Stretch it out. Move down to the third. And down to the fourth. And lastly, the pinky and the outside. So usually on this one, I'll try to get that outside. This is usually where a lot of people have some irritated spots, especially if they walk on the outsides of their feet. Okay. And before we're done and switching over to the other side, I like to put the ball right in front of that heel bone. You'll feel it. Okay, and all I'm gonna do is just flex and curl my toes. And then you're gonna go to the other foot.